Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to Maggie B's Family TV. Today I will be showing you how I turn this dress to a skirt for my daughter. Can you see mother and daughter rocking the same dress and skirt? From the same dress I turn it into a skirt. If you want to see how I do it, keep watching. This is how I do it. I just cut the dress open. I cut the both sides open. This was the sleeve before that was on the dress. Can you see it? Yeah, these are the both sleeve on the dress before, so I now cut them out. This dress had a sweetheart neckline, so I cut it out to form the waist of the skirt. After cutting the waist of the skirt, I printed it a little bit so that it can fit my daughter, and I trim the rest side out where we have that armhole. Not to take much time, I already add a band to the other part of the skirt. So let me show you, and with this one on the table I will show you how I add the band. From what I cut out from the edge of the skirt, I now create a band out of it, and this is what I show you now. This is the band, so I added gun steel on it. For me to apply it, I started adding the waistband from the back. Can you see? Because I sewed it down already, and I make sure that the band is longer than the skirt. You know, I printed the skirt a little bit. Why is that the case? Because when the child start growing and the skirt is still fitting, but it's only the waistline that is a bit tight, I can lose the print, you know, because it's a flare, and then the waistband will still be enough for the skirt. So that's the reason why I make the waistband to be longer than the waistline. Another reason why I do it is that in the shops you hardly see long skirts for kids. You know, it's all this short skirt that is showing thighs, and I don't really like that. So even when she's growing taller as she is, so the skirt will still be long up to somewhere. It will still fit the waistline if I lose the gathered or the prints I add on the skirt. You see, is that not smart? Of course. So that is just it. I will pin it on it. I will even the band out so that it will not be just long on one side and one side is shorter. I will fold this side in and do the same to the other side. I sew it already. I will then fold the edges of the band and sew it as well. So after folding it back, I will just do a top stitch on it, just the way I did to this other one. I have not finished, you see. I just only pinned them down, so I will not top stitch both of them. The next thing I do is to put the skirts together, front sides facing each other. I will sew the two remaining edge side, and I will apply a zipper on one edge of the skirt. So that is just all. Remember, I don't need to sew the end because the end was already sewed at the time I was rocking it as a dress, and now my daughter is rocking it as a skirt. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want me to show you how I sewed the dress before, let me know on the comment section. If you want me to cut the skirts or how to do a gather skirt, let me know on the comment section and we will make that happen for you. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.